Right then, so we're now outside. In the German weather, that feels like we're in Britain. It's freezing, and we've got a large collection of really nice cars. Nothing compared to what's inside the showroom. Right, so we have a typical American. What is it? I can't think what it is. It's not a Crown Vic, is it? What is it? Oh, police unit. Hello, you. Hello, gorgeous. You gonna bite me? You're a beautiful boy.
I just can't believe there's a Maserati.
There's a plane there, like.
Oh, no, the plane's cool, yeah. Look at that.
This is my type of area.
This is the first Maserati I think we've actually found.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Yeah, definitely.
This is the first Maserati we have found, covered in bushes and brambles.
I don't actually think I've ever found a Maserati. We found Aston Martins, we found everything really.
Yeah.
Apart from a Lambo.
The
Johnny
Volvo's
Smith.
been there longer.
Got a UK taxi there. Colin, there's a British taxi there with a registration too. So I feel like I'm at home now. I've got an English taxi there. Look how long it's been there for. It's got trees growing out the. Yeah, it's got trees growing out the grill. That's been there a long time.
Have you seen that?
Oh, mate.
Is that a Tourer?
Yeah, it's a Touring, yeah. Cool Porsche.
Yeah. 944.
944, yeah.
Jag. Rolls Royce.
Jag, Rolls Royce. Another Jag over there in the corner. There's a Jag here, completely slammed. V12. V12 Jag there.
Look, another Rolls Royce there.
Another Rolls Royce there. These are my types of graveyards. Yeah. I love the showroom.
I wonder if these are just like parts cars maybe that he's gonna.
Oh, definitely.
You know, just
yeah, definitely.
One day pull them out and give them a clean. And...
One day.
Yeah, I say one day.
Let's pop her and see.
Yeah.
Yep.
6-cylinder.
With the spare wheel trim just in case.
Wow. So that's either a 2.5 or.
God, it's cold. So our very first bonnet open. No, I'm not going to open the bonnet, but yeah, my very first Maserati find. Well then, one thing we probably missed is this bloody plane.
Big right, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, she's got arthritis. Huh?
Do you reckon he landed in that?
Probably. The German Shepherd's got arthritis.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, what a shame.
Absolutely lovely chap, but I can't say the same for his dog keeping. Well, then we've got this Mustang here that looks like it's being restored. Yeah, it's got a lot of new components on the engine. Can you see? So this is definitely being restored. Oh shit! And I've got this Jag. And then what's this? A little auto Blanche. Auto Blanche? It's a cute little car, isn't it? So those back wheels are, they're slanted. 1995, province of Modena. That's a clean little car. And then we have a Borg Ward. Oh, I found some Borg Ward. I found 3 Borg Wards. Yeah, I found a few of these. Yeah, I found a few of these. Which is kind of strange where I found them. We have this sad looking, it is quite sad really, Mercedes 280 SLC. It's quite condensated inside too. 280 SLC. Another Jag. A very strangely tasteful colour, mustard, classic Fiat 500. I'd love to have a little go in one of these. Flintstones car. I'd love to have a go in one of these. It's got a suitcase in the back. This must be driven. TG Stella Plaza. I don't know what that says. But if you got one of these, classic Fiat 500, and you're willing to let me have a drive of it, please message me, because there's a lot of these cars that I've never driven before and I'd like to drive them. So if you've got something like this, please let me know, because I'd like to drive it. Another Jag. Electric powered Lotus. Corvette. Look out for a Corvette. Wow. I can smell McDonald's. I'm hungry again. These are quite cheap to buy, really. You can buy these quite reasonably cheap now. Got this deliberate rusted up Rolls Royce. Looks like the roof was burnt too. Jesus. I'm pretty sure this thing actually works. It's got 2 steering wheels. That's crazy, that is. The reason why I think it still works is because it was deliberate. They burnt that and bent the silver lady. It's got a spider on the front, so this is definitely like an Halloween car. Or maybe one of those cars that's going to go to his 50 car graveyard. But why's it got 2 steering wheels? That's kind of strange. And then next to that, we have this Cadillac Eldorado. Classic, they've filled the whole bonnet with Bondo and it's cracked. Beautiful Cadillac. I mean, you need a map to walk to the length of these things. They're so long. For these bins, you gotta love an Eldorado. Now this is what I call a gangster car. But I bet most of this car is filled with Bondo. Look at that bench seat. Wow, that's what you call driving with comfort. Gotta love a Cadillac. And again, a beautiful Rolls Royce. At least this lady hasn't been burned. I don't really know the names of Rolls Royces. I should do, no, you know, because I am English. I mean, this should be in there with those cars. I didn't see one of those in there, but this certainly should be in there. Look how boxy they were back in the day. It's just really boxy, don't you think? Look at this. Ooh. Is this a Mac, is it? Ford Mustang Cabriolet. What a car. What a car. Mustang. Yeah, beautiful car. Instant arsehole, just add alcohol. Love it. Cabriolet Beetle 1303. Deutschland. Look at this VW here. VW camper. That's been there many years. That's been there a long time. Awesome. All the rubbers have perished. See, these don't last, these don't. These people would rob these, and this is pretty cool that that's lasted. An old splitty. I almost bought one of these when I had a bit of pocket. I don't have no pocket anymore. All my pocket's gone into YouTube, so YouTube stopped paying me. Jag Cabriolet. Wow. So we have a Jag here that is I don't know if I like that or not. Oh God, look at it. That's mad, that is. No way. That's just madness. Madness. Jag rollers, nice splitty, another rollers. This is what caught my attention because I had quite a few of these big American trucks. My very first truck was a Chevy Cheyenne. This is a step side, this is Chevy step side. What a beast. I've got to buy another American truck because I just miss them, I really do. Chevy Cheyenne. It's got the bed cover, huge Toyo tyres. Such an awesome American Chevy step side. All original GM interior. She's a 4x4 too. Got the gun rack on the back too, just in case you want to go hunting. Yep, I'm at home here. I'm at home with this American truck. Check out my channel. If you scroll down, you'll see a few of my American trucks. I had a big green Chevy that was as high as and jacked up as this. So see that a Super 10 Chevrolet Cheyenne. My very first American truck was the Chevy Cheyenne. Chevy Cheyenne 10. A nice Benz 380, but I can't say I like the wheels. I've never been a fan of chrome like that. Brown with chrome wheels, I don't know if it goes, But yeah, it's nice still. Oh, Colin's taking his time. Let's go see what he's up to. He's been around here hiding for about 4 years. Oh, Colin the caterpillar. Oh wow, mate, I'm glad I came down here now. Let's look at the Lamborghini Diablo.
Good old Pontiac on the wheels. It's obviously a Pontiac chassis, but it's a Diablo kit car.
Wow, is that the first Diablo we've ever found?
Well, if you could call it a Diablo. I could say it's a big bit of plastic, really.
Yeah, definitely.
This is more interesting, I think.
Oh, it is, yeah.
This is definitely more interesting.
A city car.
How strange is that?
A Sebring Vanguard.
Oh my god. The Daimler company.
So it's a Daimler.
Yeah.
Is that another electric car over here?
Yeah.
Powered by another electric car. Got a Daimler. A little German Trabant. Is it a Trabant? Beautiful Bentley, look at that. Etched into the bumper. Absolutely stunning Bentley. Then we've got a Ford Mustang. Is that a Mach 1? Is it? It's definitely a fastback. Mustang. What a find. What a find. That's really cool, isn't it? Stunning Bentley. Look at the paint on that. You can tell that's an indoor car. Certainly not an outdoor car. That's definitely an indoor car, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Beautiful Bentley. We don't know how to make cars, don't we? Well, we did know how to make cars. These day and age, we don't know how to make anything. We're absolutely useless. Why can't we build any decent cars anymore in the UK? Why do we always have to export all of our cars to for other countries to build? It blows my mind. It's like, come on. Oh, these are customer cars. So that's the garage there where they do the cars up. And then we've got an Opel here. This is a rare car in itself. A very rare car. I'm pretty sure this is a customer's car. What a nice Opel. Look at that. Gold badging. Gold badging. And then we've got a 240 GD here, Mercedes G-Wagon. It's a Mercedes-Benz 240 GD. I found a big graveyard of these, if you remember correctly, my old time subscribers. But then I had to remove the video. So yes, that video was destined to be great. There was over 20 Mercedes G-Wagons there. The second I put the video up, it went crazy, and then the owner got hold of me and asked me to remove the video, so I did. I know where loads of these are. I know where bloody loads of these are. The thing with these is they're that big that that for an engine. They're just so dear to run. So dear to run. Automatic. Beautiful back seats, never been sat in by the looks of it. And then we've got this here, this Aston Martin pickup. Obviously it's not an Aston Martin, but it's like that crappy Ford Capri kit that you can buy, that they based on. Was it they based on the Escort, did they? They based it on the Escort show? Oh, I can't remember. But apparently that's an Aston Martin. Down here, Colin has just found a Lamborghini Diablo, if you can call it that.
If you can call it that.
Yeah. Because the Diablo came with space savers just in case. Look at the wing. I bet the kits cost a bit.
Yeah, the kits do cost a lot of money. But it's money I'd never waste on them.
No, I mean if you look from that angle, it's just, yeah. Wow. Do you know that That Lamborghini we seen at that show,
Yeah, that red one.
it was actually a real Lamborghini. Yeah, somebody messaged me saying they actually used a real Lamborghini. It was a damaged, crashed Lamborghini. But, I mean, I don't know. But he messaged me, he's probably giving me some poop as well.
Really?
Yeah. It's a real one, actually. Hasn't got an engine. I wonder what chassis they've used. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. What then? Look at this Ford Mustang. What a beautiful car. It looks like she's in for repairs or in for a rebuild, because it looks like it's had a fresh paint job at some point. Beautiful interior. We're saying that's not had a fresh paint job. I think it just might be in for a rebuild, maybe. I don't know. Got a lot of new parts though under the hood, so I'm guessing it's being rebuilt at some point. London cab. You're a long way from home, aren't you, girl? And this is a really old London cab. Right then, let's go back to the car because I'm absolutely freezing. It's just proper cold. Right then, so we're finished here now. We're finished looking at this amazing collection. Freezing in Germany. If you're going to come here, make sure you bring a coat. Colin's just doing his outro. So yes, I just want to say a big thank you to Michel Frolage. I can't get his name right, but I've had a good go at it. This is the 15th outtake. So yeah, we're going to go to some more locations, but first we're going to go for a beer. So from me, Stokes and Colin. I'll link his name down the bottom, but you know who he is anyway, so it makes no difference. So yeah, remember, don't limit yourself, and until next time, remember, keep car hunting. Peace. My outtakes are funny.